Hey, I'm Bernard, man. We're gonna get my bird high. I got him off a hee-haw. He's a pretty good bird, man, and I finally got him tamed down. Easy. And I thought it'd be cool if we could get him high, man. Check it out. Oh, you're gonna love this bird. You know it? Oh man, this is some good stuff. Definitely. You like that? Oh, you gotta like that bird. Are you feeling anything yet? I ain't feeling nothing either. Probably take a few more puffs, you know? Yeah, I've had the bird like 6 months, man, and he's really, you want some more? Good, man. He likes it, yeah, he likes it. He's a good bird, but anyway, I've had him like 6 months, man, and he just keeps getting tamer and tamer, like you're forming a bond, you know what I'm saying? You're forming a bond, and stop, man. I'm trying to do a show, talk about you. And they said you can get these birds high because they eat it in Africa all the time, or wherever it is they're from, the Amazon or somewhere like that. Here, bird, I'm gonna give you a shotgun. Good job, man. Anyway, me and Bird been friends, like I said, about 6 months. Are you feeling anything yet? I think I'm starting to feel a little something. And anyway, wait a minute. Hey, this is my bird. Or did we do that already? Anyway. Does it feel weird to you? Bird. Oh, I gotta take my bird to the vet, man. I think the weed killed him. Bird!